everyone. So today we are in the garden and we are going to be picking our first bell peppers of the season. So this has been something that I have wanted to grow ever since I started a garden. I am super thrilled to have you join me, and we'll see how many bell peppers we have growing here in the garden today. We started our Seat Kelly bell peppers in biodegradable peat pots that we actually got from the dollar store. Once they got their true leaves, then we were able to prepare our raised garden beds with raised garden bed soil mix and fertilizer. Once we got our bell peppers planted in our garden beds, we then covered them with some perlite and coconut coir.
Here we also on this plant have a bell pepper. It's really cool, but we have a way bigger one. Look, if we come down here, this one. Oh man, it's just so big. It's almost ready, I'm pretty sure. We might have to pick it today. I'm not quite sure.
So, you're gonna make what's it called? Stuffed bell peppers, right? I like to do them with hummus.
Yeah,
and just like
those are so good. I like sometimes the pickled ones. Those are also really good.
All right, let's go picking. That is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope that you will like this video and let us know in the comments below what is your favorite thing to grow in your gardens, and we hope that you will join us again on the next one. Bye!